Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Control Path Robotics. This is my first video and introduction video about my channel. So who's this channel is for? If you are a beginner curious about robotics, a high school or college student, an engineering student, or someone preparing for robotics, automation, or AI career, or even a hobbyist who wants deeper clarity like what is robotics, how robots work, or fascinated by machines or humanoid robot. So this channel is for you. At this channel, we will go from basic to all the way advanced, step by step. What makes this channel different? As you know, there are many channels that teach electronics, mathematics, digital, logic, sensor, and control system. But the problem is that they are just teaching concept or some are showing just videos. There is no connection between them. But at this channel, here is the difference. I won't just teach you what is a concept or what a concept is. I'll show you why that particular concept exists and where it will be used in robotics or how engineers apply those concepts in real life problems or machinery, and what practical difference that will make. See, for example, instead of teaching just Ohm's law, which is voltage equal to current into resistance, I'll show you how that by learning Ohm's law we can protect motors in robotic arm using resistance by limiting the current. So, vision for my YouTube channel is a step by step guide roadmap in which I will teach electricity, electronics, mathematics, control systems, sensor, automations, and many more concepts that are used widely in robotics. You won't just learn those concepts or formulas. You will understand how an engineer thinks and use those concepts in their daily work. My main motive is using practical approach. So this channel will focus on clear explanation, visual understanding instead of theory, practical examples, real life examples, and step by step breakdowns of those examples, real engineering logic behind solving problems. As we grow, we also move forward real hardware demonstration. We will do simulations, design example, robotics project, control system design. The main goal is not just learning, but mastering the robotics from the foundation. My mission is simple to make robotics education clear, practical, and deeply connected to real engineering. My long term vision is to build a complete robotics learning roadmap which is freely available for beginner level to advanced robotic system design. A place where anyone, regardless of their background, they are from computer science or any other field, can truly understand how robot works. As you know, robotics is future and humanoid robot will be there. So I want everyone to understand basics how a robot work and how it may, and eventually to help create engineers who does not just use robots but build the future of robots. So this channel is for everyone. So if you're really serious about understanding robotics from ground up, subscribe my channel, turn on notification, and let's start this beautiful journey together step by step. So once again, I welcome you to the journey. Let's build and understand the robots in the right way. Thanks, and I really appreciate that you watched this video till the end. Thanks.